Rev up your excitement and plug in as we showcase the top new electric vehicles that are driving us towards a cleaner and more efficient future. From electrified office chairs to one of the most energy-efficient vehicles in the world, these cutting-edge cars are more than just modes of transportation. Join us as we take a ride into the future with the best new electric vehicles that are way ahead of their time. AFEELA EV. The AFEELA electric vehicle prototype was unveiled by Sony Honda Mobility at CES 2023, and the joint venture hopes to open pre-orders for the production model in the first half of 2025. The prototype has 45 cameras and sensors, both inside and outside the vehicle, as well as 800 tera operations per second of maximum computing power for the ECU. The company collaborated with Epic Games to transform the interior space into an entertainment experience by blending the real and virtual worlds. This will be accomplished with the help of Qualcomm Technologies' Snapdragon digital chassis, which will also be used in key features such as advanced driving assistance, in-vehicle infotainment, and telematics. The production model aims for Level 3 autonomy under limited conditions and Level 2 plus driver assistance in everyday urban driving scenarios. Prices are yet to be announced. Sunswift 7. The Sunswift 7 solar electric vehicle helps you live completely off-grid. The EV was built by students at UNSW Sydney and holds the Guinness World Record for traveling over 621 miles, which equals to around 1,000 kilometers, on a single charge in less than 12 hours. To be more specific, the vehicle took 11 hours, 53 minutes, and 32 seconds. And in order to conserve as much energy as possible, the vehicle traveled at a near constant speed of around 52 miles per hour. The car weighs only 500 kilograms, or roughly 1/4 of the weight of a Tesla. To achieve this low-weight body, the team removed a slew of features, including airbags and air conditioning systems. On top of that, Sunswift 7 features excellent efficiency, thanks to its aerodynamic design and an extremely low drag coefficient of 0.095, which is exceptional when compared to the Tesla Model S's 0.208. Electric office chair. Volkswagen Norway has designed an electric motorized office chair unlike any other. A heated cloth seat with an embroidered VW logo, a touchscreen that also functions as a music player, a rear-view camera, a 360-degree sensor, built-in speakers, 4-inch aluminum rims, and even a functional horn are all standard. This office chair, like a real-life Volkswagen vehicle, has storage space in the back for your laptop, tablet, or simply some documents. There are LED strips that can light up at night to give it a sleek look, and they can be turned into party lights when not in use for navigation. Unfortunately, this is a one-time concept, but Volkswagen Norway has stated that test drives will be available at various locations, so if you're lucky, you just might be able to check it out. Pyka Pelican. Powered by 4 electric motors with a total output of 100 kilowatts, the Pelican Cargo by Pyka is said to be the largest autonomous electric aircraft to date. The model has a payload of 400 pounds and a range of 200 miles. Developed by California-based startup Pyka, the Pelican has a cruising speed of around 148 kilometers an hour, thanks to 4 electric motors mounted on the front and rear of each wing, and a replaceable 50 kilowatt-hour battery on board for energy storage. The aircraft is controlled by a pilot on the ground via a satellite link, and in order to achieve that, the aircraft itself is equipped with advanced tech, such as 6 processors on 2 separate computers, a forward-facing LiDAR, a downward-facing laser, redundant measurement systems, and air data booms. Testing is being conducted at Pyka's flight test facility in Northern California, and its first commercial operation is being planned for the second half of 2023. Eximus IV. Once a year, the Delsbo Electric Company in Sweden challenges students to create and improve on the world's most energy-efficient vehicles. The 2019 champion, the Eximus IV, smashed the competition in all previous records, using only about 0.09 gallons of fuel per 62 miles. Built out of ultralight aircraft materials, the vehicle weighs only about 65 kilograms and is also pretty aerodynamic thanks to hours and hours of extreme wind tunnel testing. It's safe to say that the Eximus IV is much like a six-seater cart on wheels. In terms of energy efficiency, it offers a record-breaking 0.603 watt-hours per person per kilometer. In short, the Eximus IV can theoretically transport a person nearly halfway around the world using the energy contained in just 1 liter of gas. Pretty cool, right? ZOOX. ZOOX is a fully functional, electric, autonomous vehicle designed for dense urban environments. This purpose-built robotaxi can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour and is the only vehicle with bi-directional driving capabilities, as well as four-wheel steering, allowing it to drive through tight spaces and change directions without having to reverse. The vehicle seats 4 people and is powered by a 133 kilowatt-hour battery, which allows it to run for up to 16 hours on a single charge. There are also over 100 safety innovations not found in conventional cars, such as a bidirectional airbag system and carriage seating that envelop passengers. Furthermore, a unique sensor suite of cameras, radar, and LiDAR enables it to achieve an unrivaled 270-degree field of view on all 4 corners of the vehicle, eliminating typical blind spots while keeping an eye on pedestrians, bicyclists, and other road users. And just so you know, the vehicle just recently started testing on public roads in California without any human drivers. GAC Barchetta. The GAC Barchetta concept, like the Ferrari SP51, is unique. This 2-seat electric sports car concept lacks a roof or windshield and is made up of 3 major components. The first of which is an ultra-flat chassis that conceals the compact batteries. Consider it a massive mobile phone with a flat-packed battery so it can easily be swapped out. The second part of the project is its mono-material aluminum body, which is not only lightweight, simple, and timeless, but very distinctive as well. Inside, there's a small drive-by-wire steering wheel and seats made of recycled plastic. The seats are actually suspended to a frame that weighs just 3 kilograms, and they use tension from the straps to provide extra strength for support. There's no word yet on when we'll see a functional prototype. Aska A5S. Aska, based in California, debuted the A5S at the 2023 CES. A flying car that can drive up to 70 miles per hour and fly up to 150 miles per hour. The electric A5S is not a modified airplane. Instead of just taking off and landing, the eVTOL aircraft has a specially designed wheel system that allows it to travel on the highway. The A5S has a large wing and 6 folding rotors for smooth flight, and each motor has its own battery and range extender for redundancy, as well as a diamond-style ballistic parachute for additional safety. Not much is known about the A5S, but we do know that full flight testing will start sometime around this year, with certification scheduled for 2026. Aska is currently accepting reservations at a cost of $5,000 per slot. Do you believe EVs are the future? Show off what you know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, you definitely love our list of the top 3 wheeled EVs that are worth buying in 2023.